Anybody will be APC candidate, what do you go talk? No, but then they work with the present government who done Dabaru Nigeria. VP, not even be VP. What you go do now, we go change. When I think the government no do. Even the minister, we don't know. You see, the thing with this country, where I'm analyzing government, you don't say APC government don't fail. And anybody wait there for APC is not failure. What did they tell Nigerians when they give them another opportunity? What opportunity? All of them, they work with the man. All of them, they praise the man, don't do well. They make Nigerians, they hear. The people who say they want to be president, they tell Nigerians, upon this suffer, upon this insecurity way they, upon the economy don't fall finish. Naira don't, the fall of Naira be like say, nah, even people they run 100 meters, you never did that way. The way take fall. Now the people, they come to Nigeria and say, this president don't do well. He don't do well as insecurity they high. He don't do well as the economy don't do too much. He don't do well as Naira don't fall flat. Not that see any of them will go do anything better than what Buhari don't do. What did they go do? You see, what I like to say, he did government. He did government. If Fred attend meeting, executive council meeting with the government, he be vice president. Sometimes you don't act as president. All that time, no be him they had the economic team. How the economy take be? How it take be? If the minister of transport, nobody attend the executive council meeting. He didn't see what did happen. All the money we borrow from China, never the money was supposed to take work. Why the work did you never do and well? It's just like as I did now be governor. You can't talk say, okay, I still no do well for governor if you go, president go do well. What kind of talk? Which kind of talk be that?